Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am Steph Barron, and today I'm going to be creating a really easy hairstyle for when you have your greasy down days. It's going to be a really low sleek bun. I actually love this look. It is so easy to create, it's so easy to do, and yeah, it looks really great. So it's a perfect look to have when you're having these down days with your own hair. So let's get started. The items that you are going to need for this video are going to need the Redken Wax Blast. You are also going to need some of this Got To Be glued. You are going to need a tail comb. You're going to need a hair bobble. You're also going to need a hairbrush. So first of all, I'm going to start off by brushing through my natural hair. My natural hair though, I mean that's an absolute lie because I've got about 5 extensions in as well. And then I'm going to put my hair into a middle part in. Well, I always say I'm going to put my hair into a middle part in, but it more goes slightly off center just because it falls where it falls. So I'm going to use my tail comb to create the part in. So here we go. Now that I've created my part in, I'm now going to apply some of my Redken Wax Blast. And I'm basically just going to take my comb again. And start to comb it down. I'm going to do the same on the other side. This is basically to just start putting all the small hairs into place, starting to get the majority of your hair sleeking down. So now I'm going to apply the Got To Be glued, which I'm going to apply to my hands like this. I'm also going to use it quite generously. Just going to rub it in my hands, and then I'm just going to slide it down. I think that this Got To Be glued is the perfect like gel to use for this kind of look, because you want it to be super slick to your hair, you want it to be super flat. And the Got To Be glued is so strong. So yeah, it's perfect for sleeking it right down. So now I'm just going to take my hairbrush and I'm just going to be brushing it all the way around. I'm then going to take my hair bobble. Potentially could be the final look, and you could just have it in a sleek ponytail, but I am just going to apply a little bit more Got To Be glued to my hands, and I'm just going to apply it to the ponytail while twisting. So this is where we're going to now create the bun. So I'm just going to twist this all the way around. I'm going to use a second hair bobble. Is the bun. But I'm also going to add this little bun over the top. Little bobble over the top. So it now looks like this. So if you've still got some little flyaway hairs and hairs that you want to keep slicked down, apply a little bit more, but this is the final look. It is so easy to do. Oh, I'll finish off with some earrings. I actually really love this look just now where, it would help if I could get my earring through. I really love this look because the hair is like so low key, low maintenance, and then you've just got like big earrings in. And this is the final look. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to see any more hair looks, and if you've got any more hair ideas that you want me to recreate, as I would love from you, and I would love to try and recreate them.